traders. This video is to show you how to mark your key levels in the market to enable us to look for price action setup in the Forex. I'd like to start by just briefly going over the platform I use. It's MetaTrader 5. The broker is Robo Forex. I use them because they're New York close charts. As you can see, it's a demo account. I just use this platform to look for trades. I've got a separate broker to actually place the trades. So I start by putting all the pairs together. So this is all the Australian pairs, and I set up individual profiles so then I can scroll through them. If you press Shift and F5, you can scroll through. So there's the US dollar pairs, the New Zealand pairs, the Great British Pound pairs, and the Euro pairs. So let's start with a blank page and pick up a pair, and I'll show you how to mark your key levels. So first off, I've saved the template. It's really easy to do. Basically, you can choose the settings you want, the color of the candles, etc. So I'll put this onto the daily. We mark all our levels off the daily. That is important. So first thing we do, we look at where price is currently trading, which is over here. Now I like to start by putting on the support level first. So the last point where the buyers have come in and really moved the market. So for me, this is a really strong level. When price has broken above it, it's rejected it. Again, it came down to it, rejected, came down, rejected, came down, rejected. So it's a strong level and an area you want to look for price action to occur. The next level is the resistance level, the level above current price. Now, I like to get my level to touch for the wicks to touch the level as many times as possible. So, price came up, touched, got pushed down, price then broke out, came back down. If you notice here, price was unable to close below this level, which to me is a really big indicator that this is a really strong level. And you can see all the wicks of the candles showing rejection. So again, price moves up, it manages to break through, find support, and then we've got resistance, and again resistance. So the market at the moment is in a range, and this is the high of the range and this is the low of the range. If I scroll down, I can follow this on the 12-hour, the 8-hour, the 6-hour, or the 4-hour. The 4-hour is pretty much as far as I go down the time frames to look for setups. So we'll move on to another pair. Again, I'll hit templates, template, put it on the daily. Right, so again, price is here at the moment in time. So we're looking for a support. Now, we had a strong uptrend, and this produced not a bad pullback. You can see the wicks, some good rejection here. So this is quite an important level, and you can see we're actually getting currently some rejection, some wicks rejecting it. So it's an important level. Now obviously once price broke through this, price really did rally up, and this is the first point where the market pulled back, and we can just double check. If we zoom out a little bit, we can see how valid this level is. So as you can see, when we had a really bearish market, price managed to break through, and we can see some rejection here. So these are the two levels. Just zoom back in. These are the two levels that really interest me, that show me that the market, when it gets to these areas, reacts strongly. So again, if I want to, I can go down and monitor these levels and look for price action setups, either a large pin bar or an engulfing bar. So I think the key here though is practice. Picking a chart and looking for the most obvious levels. They've got to be really easy to spot. We're looking for other traders to be able to spot these levels. So if you find a chart and you just can't see a level, just move on to the next chart. The beauty of the Forex is that we have a large quantity of pairs we can follow, so we can just pick the best looking charts available, and waiting for the price action to give us a trigger to enter a trade. I hope this has been helpful to you, to see how you can mark your key levels, and also why you don't need lots of different levels everywhere on your chart. 2 levels is about right. It keeps it really clean and simple, and it's really easy to see where you want to look for trades to form. So if you've got any other questions or are interested in any more information, check out my website, dontlettheforexdriveyouupthewall.com, and I'll speak to you soon.